Good morning, Jay.
If you've got a squeaky hinge somewhere in your house, you've probably either already woken up your spouse, or worse, the baby, or at the very least, found it extremely annoying. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix that using just a couple of simple products that you may already have around the house. Now, the two main reasons that I've found that these hinges squeak is one, they're dirty, and two, they're dry. So we need a cleaner and a lubricant. Now you can run out and try to find products that are made specifically for this task, but you're more likely to do it if it's something you can just go grab out of your bathroom. Enter isopropyl alcohol or rubbing alcohol and Vaseline or petroleum jelly. Now to get this properly cleaned, we're gonna have to remove this hinge pin that's right in here. Most of these have like a little hole in the bottom that you can just stick something up in there and get that out. Some of them will have a little cap that you might have to pry off. In this case, mine's open down at the bottom. Now you have a couple of options of things that you can use. I like this little screwdriver here, does a great job. And if you don't have one of those, you may have like a nail lying around the house. It'd be easy to do. So you keep the door closed. It'll hold all the weight of the hinge, so that doesn't give you any problems. And then just put your screwdriver or nail in there and pop that pin out. Now once that pin is free, we're going to use our isopropyl alcohol and a Q-tip to clean inside of this barrel here. So you can see that's really dirty. It'll take a few of these to get that all cleaned up. So next we'll use the isopropyl alcohol to just clean up this hinge pin. I don't really like getting isopropyl alcohol in my hands, kind of dries them out. So I put on some rubber gloves here just to prevent that. But this isopropyl alcohol works really well as a cleaner. Just wipe this down. You can see it's getting all that dirt off of the pin. And then we'll just take our petroleum jelly or Vaseline, use a little bit of that to lubricate this pin. Now some people will say, why don't you just use WD-40, spray a little on there and be done with it? I don't like WD-40, I don't like the smell of it. I think it's quite messy and it's kind of a temporary fix. This lasts a lot longer than WD-40. I'm just gonna pop this pin right back in here. And if you've got nice molding or pin, hinges, whatever, you might want to use a block to kind of protect the top of that. This actually slides down pretty easy there. So that's all you got to do. Just repeat that process on any remaining hinges and you should be good with a squeak-free door for years to come. Every morning I walk into the bathroom, I think this knot on the door looks like a sloth. Am I crazy? This one's an alien. No?